Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 6 minus 5 bracket 5 minus 3. Many people fail to solve this, yes, because they did not take a right approach. They solve it like this: 6 minus 5 as 1 and 5 minus 3 as 2 and 1 minus 1 multiplied 2 as 2, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right, because they did not take a right approach. Then you have given multiple operation like subtraction, then bracket, then in bracket there is subtraction. Then you have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then solve the subtraction. So bracket is 5 minus 3, that is 2, and if there is no sign between bracket and the number, you have to put multiplication. Now you have two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication. So you have to give priority to multiplication first. So it's 10, and 6 minus 10 is minus 4. So what is the correct answer? Negative 4, not 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.